You gonna dance? To grandma's house we go. You gonna dance? You put it away for Mommy? Thank you. Such a good helper. Oops. Try it again. Thank you. Not sure where you're putting it. Can you put that one away too? Oh, good job. Thank you. Such a good helper. Oh, no, put it away. Put it in the cabinet. Put it back, please. Put it on the shelf. Uh-oh. This is trouble. Oh, give me that, please. What is that? Okay, give it to Mommy. Meredith, hey, can I have it, please? Or put it in the cabinet.